Julley and Namaste Ji. Right now I am here at my own village, and I traveled yesterday from Leh to my village, and you can see the journey of last night after this video. Right now I'm at Opshi and it's at 10 p.m. I traveled from Leh around 7. It took me 1 hour to reach at here, and still 30 kilometers to go on to reach my home. And that traveling in the night is really special, and that adventure is it. My first ride to my village for Maggie with us, and I am taking this as a break. And they also put some coriander in it. That's look nice. Using that 3-day lockdown here at my village, and I'll show you what walk we are going at here and what we will do in this 3-day. So starting with first day, today is 7th of May, and right now I'm going with my cousin to the Miru village, which is almost 4 kilometers away from my village. So नमस्ते जी, एंड हम यहाँ पे जो ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइज़र होता है वो उसको यहाँ पर खेती पे डाल रहे हूँ। पीछे तो अभी प्लॉगिंग सीजन स्टार्ट अभी शुरू हो जाएगा, ट्रैक्टर आने वाला है। In the white bag you see behind me, we have a bag full of wheat that we are going to sow, but the cows are trying to eat them away. And देखिए उधर एक और। Right now I'm checking this cow for hurrying down there, और ये लोग बहुत टेढ़ा है, टेढ़ा यहाँ उधर घुस जाता है। अभी देखो किधर किधर चला गया इधर से। यहाँ तो I'm really difficult to walk in this muddy water, and they are even तो ये होता है एक गाँव का ज़िंदगी, जो गाय को एक सुबह लेके जाना, फिर शाम को लेके आना, and then looking for them. Even in summer we have to tie them on some fixed place so that don't eat away the crops that we grown over here. ना टेढ़ा है ना ये लोग, नहीं सुधरेगा ये लोग। तो हमारे पास अभी कितने 3 गाय हैं, वो तो बड़ा वाला है, और इनका जो बच्चा 2 शायद 2 है। 2 एक आगे से ठीक से जा रहा है, वो जो काला वाला है वो ये हमारा है। ये बहुत टेढ़ा है। Right now we are here for cutting some trees, and in Ladakh especially we have two types of tree, willow and poplar. So we use this tree for making house and window, door, essential things that require for making home, and the rest of the part we use for burning as a fuel during the winter season for keeping ourselves warm. And we also do plantations in this month of the spring. So presenting you these beautiful logs to you all. Hope you are liking. Please do the subscribe button, click. Okay. And one more thing I forget to say to you. A big thanks to everybody who is viewing this my video vlog every time, supporting me, and if you like this video, do share with your friend, family members and everybody all over the world, and coming up with another beautiful vlogs. But it's a great gestures to be with you all, presenting the normal life of how we Ladakhi peoples do in our spring season. Yes, season. And yeah, looking forward for more vlogs. Do share and subscribe my vlog, and na na na.